Hey guys, my light's been flickering for about a month now, so I thought of showing you guys how to replace a tri-color LED light on a ceiling fan. Be sure you measure the replacement light that you buy beforehand to make sure that it can fit onto your fan's light. Just for context, I'm in Singapore and I have a Fanco 7000. When I called Fanco to ask how much it would cost for them to fix my light, they said the light replacement costs $50 and this does not include delivery or any installation. The tri-color LED lights I got from Shopee cost $25 and I've already replaced 3 of my ceiling fans' light. I'll post the link in the description below if you're based in Singapore and want to get these exact ones too. LED lights on ceiling fans are usually attached using magnets. You're going to see 2 wires and you're going to want to detach them from your old light. If you have a connector in between, which will look something like this, you can just detach the wires from it instead. I can't access the connector since it's inside my old LED light, so I'm just going to cut the wire as far away as possible to maintain its length, because I'll need to strip the ends of these wires to connect it to my new LED light. By the way, don't throw your old light away because you might need to reuse some parts from it like I did. Now you're going to need to strip off the ends of the wire carefully. My Fanco ceiling fan secures its original LED light with 2 additional screws on top of the magnets, which I'm going to detach because it just gets in the way of any other light kit. Now that that's done, you need to attach the wires of your light to the connector. Just press down and stick it right in to make sure it's secure. Now, attach the wires on your ceiling fan to the other end of the connector. If your wires are all over the place like mine, you can just twist it to make it a bit easier to attach to the connector. Make sure you connect the correct wires together. Once you've done this, just stick the light to the magnetic plate. You can turn on your fan to make sure the lights are working. If it's working right, attach the cover back on and you're all done. Do let me know if this helped you and be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if it did.